Hey guys, Machines and Metal, just in the shop working on lawnmowers. This is our Scrapyard run 2024, and we're just working through these things one at a time. And this one, really nice mower actually. This is a Toro, what does it say? 20383. So this is the aluminum deck super recycler with the Toro brand engine on it. It also came with the Honda engine, and I think it used to come with the Briggs & Stratton L head, which you can't get anymore. But this one, the guy at the yard said that he wanted to know what was wrong with it. He gave it to me as part of the package. It's a really nice mower. He said he wanted to know why it wouldn't start, and I guess the original buyer bought it, took it home, used it for a couple seasons, brought it back, said it wouldn't start. The guy said, well, we can fix it or sell you a new one. He took the new one. They threw this in the scrap pile. Anyway, I just wanted to show you why it won't start. I put some gas in it and pulled, and it won't start. And I noticed that the air box was loose. I've unbolted the air box. Where is it? Right here. That's the backing plate. I noticed it was loose, so I went to take it apart to tighten it. And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to just pop the cover off and have a look inside. And I'm going to just shut up for a second and see if you guys can tell me what is the problem. What's that there? That, my friends, is a twig. And as you can see, it's holding the choke open. So obviously at some point while this guy was mowing, the last time this mower ran, he got a twig stuck in his choke actuator right there, and it's keeping the choke open, which obviously the machine won't start when it's cold. So I'm going to just pull this out. I've saved it for the video. If we pull this out like that, there's our twig. Oh, look at that. The choke has now closed. So I'm going to put the airbox back on and see if this baby will start. All right, you guys. So we just threw that airbox back on. It's nice and tight now. Before, like I said, I put some gas in it because they always drain these before they go to scrap. And we're going to give it its first pull. Cross your fingers. I don't drop the phone. Yeah. She runs great. That was like, it started before I even had pulled this. Look at that. That's how you always want to start your day at the lawnmower shop. Alright, anyway, I just wanted to make that video to show you something silly and obvious you can check if you've got one of these machines with the auto choke on it. I've had this actually happen on a few machines over the last few seasons. Now that everything's got auto choke, we've got funky auto choke problems. Alright, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to make more videos about the mowers and the pressure washers and the van. We're going to have the van. Here's some more that I'm going to be working on today. I think we got a couple Honda commercials. There's an all-wheel drive right there. There's a Honda commercial. And I got a few more in the back of the truck over here. These are some aluminum decks. That's a steel deck, but oh no, these are all steel decks. I already got the aluminum decks. There's another Honda commercial. Guys, it's mower time. See you on the next one.